Hi, I'm Bill, and I want to share with you something I found here in the corner of our mini art gallery. Over here, I keep a collection of odd things like tetrahedrons, but lately I've been thinking a lot about the teacher in a box, and I made this soon after I came back from Kansas, where I was using my printmaker's chest, which is the prototype for teacher in a box. Everything you need to experience teaching and learning printmaking. And it's so cute. I wanted to show you what I found. It was a surprise. It was a surprise even to me because it felt kind of heavy. And so I wondered, what's inside? And I opened it up and took it out, and I remembered it was the trophy or the prize that we got in, I think it was I don't remember what year, 2013 or something, for the mini etching press, or the wee Woody Rembrandt press, or the Pram half-wood press. This was sent to me by one of my co-workers, Warren Rawls, in England, and this is a 3D print, and it's in metal. They made these little trophies for all the people that won design awards in the competition, the A Design competition and awards. And I made this medallion for the top. But I was surprised to find it because actually, if we get our teacher in a box design completed, and I think we will, it might take a couple, 3 years, but we will win another prize like this. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.